flies, eh? Geez, there's just not enough time in the world.
I know. Like, even with the 2 hours.
It's crazy.
Since there's no cars, I can probably just cut it, because there is a car back.
Yeah, cut it to the right on.
There's no cars there.
Yep.
Do your little...
Oh, the avoiding the dry steering thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you can, do so.
Yeah.
But don't worry about it. It's not
Okay.
it's not an issue there for a road test.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm just gonna pull to the side here because I need to fix all the things again.
Yeah, you seemed a little bit far
Yeah.
away from the steering wheel.
I'll just
No problem.
park right here just so I completely forgot, so just make it
Be nice,
easier
eh? When
for
you
me.
get your own car and
Yeah.
nobody else drives it, you'll
Yeah, I
just
know.
jump in
I
and
already
go.
have my own car. I just
Oh
not
yeah, that's right.
able to. Okay. Back to the road.
Okay. Round 2.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take notes.
Okay.
So right turn onto the roadway. Traffic was in your favor.
It really was.
At the light's left turn, they leave it up to you when to make the lane change. Here you could put your left signal on so the guy behind you knows that you want to get in there and he won't jump into the left lane. Awesome. See, so you can travel in the lane with your signal on so long as your intention is to make the left lane change.
Right.
It's strategy.
Yeah.
Psychology.